Hi everyone, I am Udari teacher. With the current situation, I thought to start a YouTube channel specially for ordinary level students. Not only for them, but also for others who have the interest to learn math. So in Sri Lanka, for all the students, they have to face for the GCE ordinary level examination. So in that, the subject mathematics is very important. So, I decided to start a YouTube channel to uplift your mathematics knowledge. So, in here, first of all, I thought to continue all the theory parts relevant for grade 10 and 11. So, altogether from grade 10 and 11, you have to study 57 lessons. Actually, it's a big stuff. Okay, don't worry, I'm there for your support. From the very first video, I thought to discuss the geometry. It's not very hard, it's really easy if you get those theory points clearly. Okay, first I'm gonna discuss congruence of triangles. It's very important and it's very easy if you get those things very clearly. Okay, before discussing that, we have to have an idea about rectilinear plane figure. So, I will give a simple definition for that. All the plane figures consisting of straight line segments are called rectilinear plane figures. Remember the special point, straight line segments. Okay. Triangle also a rectilinear plane figure. So in there, the angles and the sides are known as the elements of that rectilinear plane figure. So, in the given triangle ABC, angle CAB, that means this angle ABC, that means this angle ACB, that means this angle, and the sides AB, BC, and AC, all are elements of that rectilinear plane figure. Okay, now we know what are rectilinear plane figures. The following given things are also rectilinear plane figures. Okay, before going to congruency of triangles, we have to get an idea what is congruency. Congruency means if I take a pair of plane figures which may be made to coincide is called a pair of congruent plane figures. See the following plane figures. If we take these two plane figures, we can keep this one over the other. See, it's a congruent pair. If we take these two ones, these two triangles also congruent. We can keep these two one over the other. And what about this? This is also like that. We can keep one over the other. These are congruent plane figures. Okay. There are four cases that you have to have an idea in congruency of triangles. First case, the case in which two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of another triangle. So here you can see there are two triangles. First one, triangle ABC. The other one, triangle PQR. In these two triangles, you can see I have marked this angle, that means angle ABC is equal to the angle of PQR, that means this angle. And if we take side BC, it's equal to the side QR. I've marked that thing. Here, the side AB is equal to the side PQ. So we can write in triangle ABC and PQR, BC is equal to QR. It's a given data. When you are writing something in geometry, it's very important to mention why did you write that particular point. That means the reason for this. That means the relevant theory for that thing. angle PQR is equal to angle ABC. It's also given data. AB is equal to PQ. It's also given data. Therefore, we can decide triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. The case relevant for that is ASAS case. That means side angle side case. Okay. The second case, the case in which the magnitude of two angles and the length of a side of a triangle are equal to the magnitude of two angles and the length of a side of the corresponding angle of a triangle is the second case. Go through this. Triangle ABC is here and triangle PQR is here. This angle, that means angle CAB is equal to the angle PQR, and the angle ABC is equal to the angle QPR, and the side CB is equal to the side PR. In triangle ABC and PQR, BAC angle is equal to the PQR angle. It's a given data. CBA equals to QPR. It's also given data. And BC equals to PR. It's also given data. Therefore, we can decide triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. It's according to the case AAS. Why we are saying like that? Because for this case, they have included an angle, and a side. Angle, side. AAS case. Okay. The third case. The case of three sides of a triangle being equal to three sides of another triangle. We can decide those two triangles are congruent. See the triangle ABC and the triangle PQR. This AB side is equal to PQ and this BC side is equal to QR and this AC side is equals to PR. So we can write in triangle ABC and PQR, AB is equal to PQ. It's given data. BC is equal to QR. It's also given data. AC equals PR. It's also given data. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. That is SS case. Why it is like that? Because for this case, they have included three sides of the triangle. That is side, side, side case. SSS case. Okay. Fourth case. The case of the hypotenuse and a side of a right angle triangle being equal to the hypotenuse and a side of another right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, we know a one angle should be 90 degrees. It is compulsory. So, we know this angle is equal to this angle. These are the two right angles of that triangle. That means angle ABC and PQR is 90 degree. So, they have given BC side is equal to QR and they have given the hypotenuse. That means AC is equal to RP. Okay, now we have to just write. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. It's 90 degree. We know that thing already. So, AC is equal to PR. It's given data. BC is equal to QR. It's also given data. Therefore, we can write ABC triangle is congruent to triangle PQR. That is RHS case. Why it is RHS? R represent right angle, H represent hypotenuse, S represent side. So right angle, hypotenuse and the side. should be equal to another triangle. So this is RHS case. This is the fourth one. Okay. Now we have learned four cases in congruency of triangles. So that's all. So thank you for watching my video and please subscribe.